Getting in some more breaking news right now, shifting focus to Gujarat, where a first-year student of a Gujarat-based medical college has died allegedly after he was made to stand for about 3 hours. This as part of a ragging exercise by the seniors. In fact, students were being called since 15 days consecutively in a small room, and they were being ragged one after the other, humiliated, essentially resulting in one student who died earlier. In fact, we'll try and go across to my colleague Priyanka for getting us the latest details. What you see, these are the images now coming in from the Gujarat Medical College where the ragging incident was reported. In fact, the dean of the university has also responded. We'll try and put out the statement in a short while from now. This matter has also been picked up by the government, given the fact that you've had an MBBS student dying after being ragged. Remember, there are strict laws that have now been brought into place to ensure that such incidents do not actually take place. As you're seeing all these images now coming in, the first-year student died after he was made to stand for 3 hours, and they were all being called by the seniors one after the other for the last 15 days. Those who recently joined, 15 days consecutively in a small room where they were being ragged, they were being humiliated. That's the latest now coming in from Gujarat in Patan district, where this was basically reported. Let me also go across to my colleague Priyanka, who's getting us the latest details. Priyanka, a tragic incident taking place despite strict laws in place. Yet another incident of ragging being reported from Patan district in Gujarat. What more details are you picking up in terms of the action that has been taken so far?
Well, that's right, Shravan. In a very shocking incident, in fact, a systematic failure essentially that has come to light from this MBBS college, where the second-year students had in fact been systematically targeting the first-year students who were about 17 to 18 years. They were in fact subjecting them to a lot of humiliation and ragging, which they used to call introduction. However, we do see that some glaring loopholes in the entire investigation that have come to light, because we are looking at the anti-ragging committee and report that had been submitted by them, claiming that this was in fact a 3-hour period during which the student unfortunately had collapsed and lost his life. But it has been found out that it was something that had been going on for the last 15 years consecutively. And for 15 years, all of the students had been subjected to this kind of a torture and humiliation by the other students. And we are also being given to understand that some of the professors and teachers had in fact been privy to it. Not just that, we are now looking at the anti-ragging committee that had been formed, which did not even have an independent member in it. And those are the points that in fact the police is now going to be looking into, because till yesterday night, Shravan, we had seen that the students had in fact been suspended from the hospital, but as of now, we are looking at an FIR that has been registered by the Patan police, and now we are looking at the investigation that is also being carried out. Also looking into the aspect of how the dean had been involved and how the dean's negligence in fact had also led to this kind of an incident, because we've also accessed the WhatsApp chats that have come to light between the students, where the students had in fact been getting the juniors to come to a certain room. There was not just one room, there was at least 15 rooms where this systematic introduction and orientation, as they call it, was in fact being carried out. And teachers, as we are being given to understand by the student leaders themselves who are carrying out the protest, they are saying that the teachers in fact had been privy to it, and they did not take any action to prevent this as well. Apart from that, some of the students had also stated that in a small room, there were 50 students who were subjected to carry out a strenuous physical activity, post which this collapse of one student and unfortunate death subsequently took place.
Well, thank you very much, Priyanka, for getting us the latest details.